Morning children. Animals under home. Paklama. Where does a monkey live? Where does a monkey live? A monkey lives in a tree. A monkey lives in a tree. Where does a rabbit live? Where does a rabbit live? A rabbit lives in a hole. A rabbit lives in a hole. I see a rabbit. I see a rabbit. It has a long ears. It has a long ears. It eats carrots. Where does a bear live? Where does a bear live? A bear live in a cave. A bear live in a cave. I see a bear. It is black or brown. It has a lot of hair. Where does a hippo live? Where does a hippo live? A hippo lives in a river. A hippo lives in a river or lake. Very good. Where does a cheetah? I see a cheetah. I see a cheetah. It has a brown or black dots. It has a brown or black dots. It run fast. Okay, vanga. I see a monkey. I see a monkey. It has long tail. Jump on trees. Yanga gudikuma. Marathila. Very good. Vanga. I see a lion. I see a lion. It is strong. It can roar. I see a deer. I see a deer. It eats grass. It eats grass. It runs fast. I see a zebra. I see a zebra. It has black and white stripes. It eats leaves. I see a tortoise. I see a tortoise. It has a shell. It has a shell. It has claw. I see a giraffe. I see a giraffe. It has a tall. It has a tall. It eats leaves. I see a tiger. I see a tiger. It is strong. It is strong. It has strips on its body. Very good. I see an elephant. I see an elephant. It is big. It is big. It has trunk. I see a hippo. I see a hippo. It is fat. It is fat. It lives in lakes or rivers. I see a snail. I see a snail. It is small. It is small and slow. It has a shell. Okay. Super paatho. Idhula fast ah vara mirugangal edhu solunga paakalam. Cheetah, deer. Slow ah poradhu edura tortoise and snail. Okay. Strips போட்ட மிருகம் எது? Strips. Tiger. Okay. ரிவர்ல இருக்கிறது எது? Very good. Tall animal எது? Giraffe. Okay. Leaves சாப்பிடுற animals எது? Giraffe, zebra, அப்புறம் இன்னொன்னு grass சாப்பிடுறது யாரு? Grass யாரெல்லாம் சாப்பிடுவாங்க? யார் சாப்பிடுவா grass? Deer. Very good. Rabbit என்ன சாப்பிடுவாங்கடா? Very good. சூப்பரா சொன்னீங்க. நல்லா ஒரு கிளாப் பண்ணலாமா?